Not from where?
Okay.
I'll start quickly.
I think there's someone at your gate.
No, that's next door.
What do I do?
You spin it.
You spin it om.
I can't do it, the smell.
What smell? Come on, Peso.
Okay, you know what? We're switching back.
Peso user, you can do it. Peso, okay, we'll do it together. Come.
You just stepped all over my progress.
Your progress?
Yes.
I don't see progress.
I will.
I see a star. Right. I see a lot of standing, but no work.
I can't stand in long grass. I'm allergic to long grass.
Oh God.
What?
Yeah,
What?
yeah.
I'll plant. That is what I came here to do. This is not in the contract.
This is part of planting.
Okay, come in there.
No.
Come.
No.
Come.
No.
I'll put you there.
Sorry, Mandy. Sorry, Mandy. Don't. 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 Okay.
Right. Seconds. 3.
Step in the long grassies, man.
Okay, then don't.
I'm trying.
Less whining, more working.
I'm going to hurt him.
You can try.
Marina Sopomba.
Just fill it up, it's easy. You know, to fill it up, you need a full shovel.
Yeah, but that sounds like a lot of work.
It's gonna be a lot more work. You just gotta fill the rest of it up. Come on, dig in. Imagine he's, I don't know, buried under there.
I would be the one who probably buried him. So. I don't think I sit down.
Oh,
You what?
I don't think I sit down.
and she sits. Go on strike.
I have to take.
She's not suitable for a farmer, you know. Where's your labor now, Janae? You know where it is? Filling my side of the garden.
At least my side has water.
I can get water.
Oh, water.
Bring the shovels. Be useful.
I'm watering. I'm going to water it.
She's trying to cover me.
What are you doing?
So that and that, and then there's a purple one way down there. Why's it purple? Because it's a purple plant. So we're just waiting for the rest of the stuff to pop up, because you had some lettuce here and some sunflowers somewhere
Yeah.
that haven't popped up. We might have to replant them.
No.
There's your amaranth.
Well, I think one is good.